Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a pork chop in my Instant Pot. So let's apply some pressure. I've been eating pork chops for a few days here. I have a tray of pork sirloin pork chops. These were 99 cents a pound, so $3.57 for 4 pork chops. Okay, I'm down to my last pork chop here. I'm going to cook it in my Instant Pot. So I put 1 cup of water in the pot. I'm going to season the chop with this Andy's rub. I've used this in a few videos, I think. It's got a little garlic, onion, I think some orange peel, lemon peel, and a few things in it. Okay, we'll do the top side. I'll do it on both sides because that water will kind of dilute things down a little bit. Alright, that looks pretty good, and maybe just a little bit of salt on top of that. And we're ready to go. I usually eat applesauce with my pork chops, but I realized my applesauce was moldy, so I cut up 2 apples and put them in there with the pork chop, and this is just kind of an experiment. We'll see what happens. Now I'm going to cook this on the pressure cook setting for 1 minute, and I'll release the pressure as soon as it's done. The pot shut off. It's actually been about 12 minutes by the time it preheated. Now we'll release the pressure here. Let's see how it looks. Looks like those apples cooked pretty good. I'm going to get that pork chop out of there. And I think I'll brown it. So I'm going to take everything out of the pot. I'm going to add some oil to the pot and we'll brown it. Now I'm going to turn my pot to saute on high. And I'm going to add some, this is avocado oil, but I guess any kind of cooking oil would work for this. Just pour, I don't know, a tablespoon or so in the bottom of the pot there. I'll get the pork chop in there. And I have a glass lid, so I'll put that on. It's been a minute or two. Let's see how we're doing here. Oh, almost a little bit too brown. Okay, we'll do it on that side for a minute or so, and then we'll try it out. All right, let's see how this turned out here. I'll cut into my pork chop here. That looks good. You don't want pork too pink anyhow. So we'll cut a little bit of that off. I wonder how my apples turned out here. I wonder if they're apple sauce-ish. Well, they kind of break up a little bit, so get a little bit of apple with my pork there, if I can get it all on the fork. Help with my finger a little bit. Got a whole peeling there. Oh, well, we'll just try that whole thing. I like those apples. They go well with the pork. They add some flavor and moisture to it. Not quite as sweet as applesauce. A little fresher tasting. Guess we better let Annie taste it. Want to try it, Annie? There's a nice piece of fat for you. Chow it down. I wonder if she'll like the apple. You want a piece of apple? Try that. Nope, I don't think she's going to eat that apple. First thing she hasn't eaten, I think. Well, I like the apple even if Annie didn't. I guess we'll call that optional. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.